How does pulsed electromagnetic field therapy work? PEMF. Pulsed electromagnetic field therapy directs powerful pulse energy waves at low frequencies that pass through the skin and penetrate deep into muscles, bones, tendons, nerves, and organs, increasing the cell's energy and stimulating its natural repair mechanisms. These waves are painless and quickly pass through the cells in the damaged region, increasing the spin of the electrons contained within them. This increase in cellular energy helps to heal damaged tissues, relieving pain and stimulating cell growth. Perhaps the easiest way to understand pulsed electromagnetic field, PEMF, is to think in terms of each cell in your body as if it were a little battery. Like with any battery, sometimes your cells become tired and worn, whether due to age, stress, overuse, or damage, making it more difficult for them to fight off any type of potentially damaging force or illness. Through pulsed electromagnetic field therapy, PEMF, your batteries in your cells essentially become recharged. The energy supplied via pulsed electromagnetic field therapy gives cells the energy they need to ward off whatever is threatening them, whether it is trauma or a disease-based attack. This makes it easier for your patient's body to restore its healthy naturally simply by using the electrical currents and impulses that are already interacting within and throughout their cells. High-powered PEMF is like a battery recharger for your depleted cells.